Hello everyone, I am Preeti Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department A shift of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Now, in our subject Electrical Drawings and CAD, our next practical is practical number 16, which is create two-dimension drawing. So, for creating the two-dimension drawing, we use draw command. In draw command, line command, circle command, semicircle command, polyline command. By using this command, we create a two-dimension drawing in this practical. So let's see. Okay. So this is the diagram we can draw by using AutoCAD. So first select the line, then after selecting the line, specify the point and draw the line. We can write here the dimensions. Suppose I will take 100. Enter. Then here 50, enter. Then make arc or semicircle, and the diameter is 30. So 30, enter. And then here again draw or escape it, and then again take polyline. Mention this, specify the point. So for specifying the point, I check the status bar. This is off. This is the snap tool. So snap tool off. So I first on the snap tool and specify the proper point. Then right click on the mouse and select arc, and the arc diameter is 30. So 30, enter. Minus 30, that means 70. So 70, enter, and then writing this. So by using this line and arc, we can draw this. So this is the drawing, 2D, two-dimension drawing. Now take the dimension for this. So just go to the dimension and click specify first point and then second point and stretch down. So this is the 100 मीटर. हम लोगों ने पहले 100 मीटर लिया था, कोई डायमेंशन यहाँ पे वो शो कर रहा है 100 डायमेंशन. ओके, अगेन राइट साइड वी पहले फर्स्ट पॉइंट स्पेसिफाई करो एंड देन सेकेंड, एंड देन उसे खींचो राइट साइड में, तो उसका डायमेंशन आ जाएगा 50. देन वैसे ही अगर आप यहाँ से करोगे कि ये डायमेंशन कितना है, तो वो भी आप लोगों को दिखाएगा. इट इज 20. One more time I will take it. This is 20. Then again this line, हम लोगों ने 70 की ये लाइन लिया था, तो हमें वैसे ही लेना है 70 का लाइन. ओके, एंड देन आर्क का डायमेंशन हमने कितना लिया था, 30. सो check the arc dimension. So taking dimension phi denotes the diameter of it. In this diagram, I'll take I was take radius, and here I'll taking diameter. Okay. For this circle, semicircle, we use radius as also. So select, go to the annotation, then select here, select radius, then select the circle. So by using the line command, we can draw this line. This is the 2D, two dimension drawing. So इस ऐसे ही हम create करते 2-dimension drawing. Okay. So this is the way to draw the 2-dimension drawing by using the line command. Okay. Thank you.